As of October 2025, the DoorDash Dasher app does not natively support Apple CarPlay. DoorDash has not released a CarPlay-compatible version. This means you can't directly display the Dasher app on your car's screen through CarPlay. This lack of integration forces drivers to rely on phone mounts or voice commands, which can be unsafe. The Dasher app requires access to GPS for navigation and the camera for proof of delivery. Apple CarPlay requires the apps be explicitly built for CarPlay and approved by Apple, which restricts features. The Dasher app would need to be adapted to CarPlay's user interface. Without official integration, drivers may violate distracted driving laws if they glance at their phone. While unofficial methods like screen mirroring exist, they are not endorsed and can be unreliable. Uber's driver app now displays ride requests, maps, and earnings on CarPlay screens. Food delivery rivals like Grubhub and Instacart are piloting CarPlay betas, focusing on driver dashboards. Experts emphasize that CarPlay integration is becoming essential for safety and compliance. Statistics show that delivery drivers without in-car app integration have a higher accident rate. If DoorDash adds CarPlay, it could reduce driver app interactions, improving safety and retention.